Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Welcome back to the GK class. Today, I am going to introduce some authors' names. Okay, let's start. Lesson name. It is all in the name. It is all in the name. Okay, let's look. All of you take your textbook, page number 13. In this lesson tells about author's name. Okay, let's look. First we look some Indian authors' names. Okay, dear children, all of you look at the picture. Who is this? Yes, this is Sudha Murthy. She is Kannada, Marathi and English author as well as a social worker. She is also the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation. Sudha Murthy has written novels, technical books, travelogues, collection of short stories and non-fictional pieces and books for children. Okay, let's look a collection of some of the best books by Sudha Murthy. First one, Wise and Otherwise. Wise and Otherwise. Second one, How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Other Stories. Next one, Maheshweda. Okay, let's look next author. Who is this? Yes, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. He is an Indian author. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. Okay, let's look a list of the best books by Ruskin Bond. First one, The Room on the Roof. Next, The Blue Umbrella. Next, Delhi is Not Far. Okay. Okay, let's look next author. She is Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy. She is an Indian author. She is also a political activist involved in human rights and environmental causes. Okay, let's look the list of the best books by Arundhati Roy. First one, The God of Small Things. Next, Capitalism, a Ghost Story. Okay, let's look next author. I think everyone know his name. Who is this? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, a Bengali poet, short story writer, song composer, essayist and painter. Dear children, don't you know Rabindranath Tagore is the author and composer of the national anthems of India and Bangladesh. He got Nobel Prize for his book Geetanjali. Okay, let's look some other authors. This is Helen Beatrix Potter. Helen Beatrix Potter is an English writer, illustrator, natural scientist. She is best known for her children's books featuring animals such as those in The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Okay, let's look next author. Who is this? Yes, she is J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling is a British writer. She is best known for writing the Harry Potter fantasy series. Okay, let's look next one. She is Enid Mary Blyton. Enid Mary Blyton. She is an English children's writer. She wrote on a wide range of topics including education, natural history, fantasy, and biblical narratives. The Secret Seven series written by Enid Blyton. Okay, let's look next author. Who is this? Yes, this is Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl is a British novelist, short story writer, poet, and screenwriter. The Magic Finger is a fantasy story written by Roald Dahl in 1962. Okay, let's look next author. Who is this? Yes, she is Mary Pope Osborne. Mary Pope Osborne. Mary Pope Osborne is an American author of children's books. She is best known as the author of the Magic Tree House series. Okay, let's look next author. Who is this? Yes, he is Owen Colfer. Owen Colfer. Owen Colfer is an Irish author of children's books. He worked as a primary school teacher before he became a full-time writer. He is best known for being the author of the Artemis Fowl series. Okay, let's look next author. Who is this? She is Murasaki Shikibu. Murasaki Shikibu is a Japanese novelist and poet. She is best known as the author of The Tale of Genji. Okay, dear children, let's look next lesson. Lesson name Computer Quiz. In this lesson, discuss about some computer related words. Okay, let's look. Join words is choosing one from each of two boxes to get computer related words. Write the words in the blanks. Okay? Okay, first all of you look at the box. All of you look at the box. First one, scroll bar. Okay, scroll bar. Next, recycle bin. Next one, task bar. Next one, save as. Next, hard copy. Next one, spell check. Okay, next one, caps lock. Caps lock. Last word, password. Last word, password. Okay, dear children. Okay, let's look next activity. Choose names from the box and write on the blanks. Okay. Dear children, here 8 instructions are given. Please you choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Okay. First one, we use this to move the Windows content up and down or left and right. We use this to move the Windows content up and down or left and right. Which is correct word? You write here. Yes, scroll bar. Scroll bar. Let's look next one. This is the command to rename and copy a file to a new location at the same time. Okay, save as. You write here save as. Okay, third one. When this is turned on, it locks the alphabet's keys so that all the letters typed are in uppercase. Which is correct word here? Yes, caps lock. Caps lock. Fourth one. The deleted files are sent to this in Microsoft Windows. The deleted files are sent to this in Microsoft Windows. Yes, recycle bin. Recycle bin. Fifth one. This is a printout of a document. This is a printout of a document. Which is correct word? Yes, hard copy. Okay, let's look next one. This is a combination of letters, numbers and special characters that allows the user to access her or his account. Yes, password. Password. Okay, let's look next one. This displays the start button and the active applications at the bottom of the screen. Which is correct word? Yes, taskbar. Taskbar. Okay, let's look last one. This feature in Microsoft Windows checks every word that is typed for correction. Which is correct word? Yes, spell check. Spell check. Okay, dear children, I give some activities for you. Write these activities in your textbook and notebook also. Activity 1. Choose the names of these Indian authors from the box. Write them below. Page number 13. Activity 2. Match these books with their authors. Page number 13. Activity 3. Page number 14. Join words choosing one from each of the two boxes to get computer related words. Write the words in the blanks and also against their meanings. Write these activities in your textbook and notebook also. Let's wind up the lesson. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.